many harmonics, in many RF circuits, harmonic distortion is unimportant, or it is an effect of non-linearity. So if you make your circuit linear, then harmonic distortion will not have any meaning at all. Because my circuit is linear means there is no chance for harmonics to come. But if you have an RF amplifier operating at 2.4 gigahertz, this is just a Wi-Fi frequency. So the second harmonic will be available at 4.8 gigahertz. But if you're ensuring that the circuit is going to have a very narrow bandwidth, I can remove this frequency. This frequency will not disturb my signal. So assume that you have a response like this. This peak value is at 2.4. This value is 2.4. And 4.8 is somewhere here. So this 4.8 is not going to disturb my signal because my bandwidth is very narrow. So this 4.8 will be automatically rejected by the circuit. Only if it is going to have a narrow band. Otherwise, if the circuit is going to have a response like this 4.8 would also start dominating inside your thing, which is going to act like your noise. So harmonics must be always considered carefully before you can say that my circuit is free from harmonics. No, you can never say the circuit is free from harmonics. You have to definitely give some attention to them and ensure that the harmonics are suppressed. All circuits will have harmonics. So depend on what characteristics you impose to the circuit, the harmonics may be eliminated or the harmonics may be reduced in power when compared to the original signal. And this is regarding harmonic distortion. And we have one more parameter called sensitivity.